Now that you can pronounce Indonesian naturally and build simple sentences, it's time to start arranging words the way Indonesians actually think. I want to say my phone. Simple enough. So maybe saya telepon? No. Telepon saya. Yes. Now, here's the interesting part. That little change tells us something much bigger about how Indonesians organize information. Today, we're entering the world where the owner always comes second. Welcome back to the Indonesian Language Lab. Today's lessons looks tiny on the surface, just 2 words. But this one pattern appears thousands of times every single day. Master it, and your Indonesian immediately starts sounding much more natural. Today's mystery. Why is it rumah saya instead of saya rumah? English usually starts with the owner. My book, your house, his car, our teacher. Indonesian starts with the thing. Book, then owner. House, then owner. Car, then owner. Once you understand this, you'll stop translating English into Indonesian. You will start thinking in Indonesian. Here's the rule. Noun plus owner. Buku saya. Rumah mereka. Mobil kami. Guru kita. Temanmu. Bukunya. Notice what's happening. The object comes first, the owner comes afterward. It's wonderfully consistent. Let's compare English. My coffee. Indonesian, kopi saya. Kopi saya. English, his office. Indonesian, kantornya. Kantornya. English, our hotel. Indonesian, hotel kami. Hotel kami. The focus comes first. The owner is additional information. Now let's make things even more natural. Instead of saying buku saya, Indonesians often say bukuku. Instead of rumah kamu, they often say rumahmu. Rumahmu. And instead of mobil dia, you will hear mobilnya. 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 Kumunya. These aren't separate words anymore. They are attached directly to the noun. Think of them as little ownership ending. Notice something interesting. English contracts verbs. I am becomes I'm. He is becomes his. We have becomes with. Indonesian contracts possession instead. Buku aku becomes bukuku. Rumah kamu becomes rumahmu. Nama dia becomes namanya. Namanya. Remember, do not say saya buku, but buku saya. Do not use English word order saya mobil, but mobil saya. Avoid this common mistake. Let's practice. Translate this word. My friend. Teman saya. Correct. Your name. Nama kamu. Yes. Or namamu, namamu. Our teacher. Guru kami. Very good. Listen to this mini dialogue.
Ini bukumu?
Bukan, itu bukunya. Yang ini bukuku.
Listen again and try to catch the meaning. Now, translate this sentence. My house is big. Correct. Rumah saya besar. Notice, no to be. Owner comes second. Adjective comes last. 3 lessons already working together. Today you learn Indonesian says the object first. Owners come second. Ku, mu, nya make speech more natural. Several previous lessons now connect together. Next time, we're flipping another English habit upside down. The blue house isn't biru rumah. If you are noticing that every lesson connects to the previous one, that's intentional. Inside the conversion between casual and formal fluency system, we build the language exactly this way, step by step, until speaking naturally becomes automatic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.